Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And it's evening time. Me and my daughter now on the podium, and all kids are playing, enjoying. And my daughter, look at here, she also playing with her friends. And every time I, whenever I have some time in morning, I can say in evening time, I am on the podium and how to practice English. This is also help for me for practicing this language every day. Uh, any situation you can say, you can practice it. Don't feel like what is the perfect time or something. If you want to speak, whatever the situation, you can speak. And think, express your thoughts, try to speak continuously. Don't feel like shy or hesitate what I am saying. Whatever in your mind, try to speak and express your thoughts. This is my motivation, like my experience. I am just learning nowadays. I am not be a good speaker, but I always try to speak, express my thought. My daughter is falling on the ground. She is crying, but her friends and also helps to each other. Let's wake up and play again. My daughter little bit of angry mood. She is running here and there, and also other friends are playing. Yeah, and she is Zivika and my daughter's friend, and he is Zivika's brother. I can say youngest brother, and he is Zivika's grandfather. My daughter is angry, and now she is running and come near to me. What happened, Arya? Sai, what happened? Okay, it's fine. Uh, if you want to express, you can speak any topic. If you improve your English, you can continuously. Don't think about what I am saying. You can catch any topic. What right now I am on the podium. You can catch the topic and express what do you see in around you, and express. Try to speak minimum 5 minutes 10 minutes continuously in English. This is my experience. I can say don't feel hesitate, nervous. Try to explain whatever in your mind. Yeah, it's okay if you make mistake, it's okay, but try to express your thoughts, speak in English. Don't think about any grammar or something. Try to speak continuously every day, and this is the consistency. If you speak continuously every day, minimum 1 minute 2 minute 5 minute, and read something, write something, and always watch short video, long video, conversational video, a podcast, definitely you learn something every day. And this is not a big deal. Everyone can speak this language, but be consistency. In my experience, before 3 4 months I can't speak anything. I know the language, but I don't express my thought. But right now I am fully express whatever the topic, what I can see in around me. I can express everything. This is my plus point. I can say I can do it. Also you can do too. Also, if you do every day, if you speak every day, one day you can speak confidently, and you want to be a good speaker. Express your thoughts, speak continuously. If you can't speak, then why can you express what you think about this topic? In my experience, I can say always I try to learn something new. If I am at home in cooking time, or if I am walking or something, anytime I am thinking everything in English only. I don't think my mother tongue or Hindi. Previous in before months, I am thinking only my mother tongue, because this is my daily life, and every where every neighbors, relatives are talking in Odia only. Because of you, I also talk in Odia. But nowadays, every time I speak in English only, and also think in English only, and try to express my thought in English only. Because of you, I can say I express my thought very easy way. I don't think whatever my neighbors are, my relatives are, my friends are think about me. I don't think. If I think like this, then I can't improve myself. Because of you, I always try to best in myself in my way. I don't think they are no gifts. They are no important for me nowadays. My first priority is my family and my daughter and my mother, father, my relatives only. Other than I'm also my some close best friends also. Other than I can't think more about to others who we see who are that I don't have time. I don't waste 1 minute right now. If I have some time to myself, immediately I watch my mobile and try to listening. If I am cooking, I try to listening. If I am sitting on the sofa, I watch my something any video, or if I am working, also try to talk with my co-learners. Or if no one available, then it's okay. I watch some videos also, but I don't waste. I know this language is very important nowadays. If you can't speak, no one can like you and underestimate you. Gita, you don't know the language. I know the language, but I can't. I can say we are don't can express or don't connect to anyone in this language. Because of you, I think I little bit of lack or back to it's okay fine. But after shifting Pune, I have some time to connect with my friends, my co-learners, and express my thoughts also. Yeah, nowadays I am improving a lot. Recently I create my YouTube channel, I my Facebook page also. Always I think what is today's topic, and try to prepare the topic, and record the video and edit also, then upload it immediately. I can say this is my daily routine right now. Um, don't yeah, this is I can say this is the slow speaking English practicing. Now I am express my thought in slow way. Because of you, everyone can understand what I am saying. Yeah, if you want to be a good speaker, definitely you be consistency and try to speak every day more and more. If you don't connect to anyone, don't express your thoughts, then how can you improve yourself? Because of you, I always try to express my thought in easy way. I little bit of worry about I can't see my daughter right now. Where is she? I am searching. Yeah, my daughter, look at here on the playground. My daughter is playing, and yeah, and other kids are also playing. This is our podium, and some ladies are praying near to the temple, and this is our temple and playground. Yeah, you don't think what I am telling, what I am, which one the topic. Whatever you see in around you, try to express your thought, and one don't feel like this is right or wrong. Is try to express your thought. Now I am working and also recording in one time. I can do two things like working and recording my video. Then you also follow, you can do also like this. Whenever you have some time, try to learn. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, this is the beautiful. I can see the amazing. Wow, this is a beautiful scene. I record in this video the aeroplane flying over my apartment, and I immediately record it. And you try to, yeah, this is now rainy season. The clouds are like cloudy, and I feel pleasant right now. I don't. Today is Friday, and every weekend Yeah, today is Friday. Every weekend I have some time to myself because Monday to Friday I fully busy like preparing everyday breakfast, lunch, dinner. But in evening, Friday evening to Sunday night, I have more and more time, like 2 days holiday for my husband, my daughter also. They I can say this is the family time. Saturday, Sunday, every Saturday, Sunday is the family time. We are go outside to watch a movie or in a mall or something shopping, and also go to restaurant. And today I can say today is the Friday, and my husband also tell it's okay. You don't prepare any dinner for us. I will order something for you. You take some rest and play with your daughter, and if you want to go outside you can go with your daughter. I am at home right now. You don't think about it what will be prepared for dinner. It's okay. Yeah, because of you I really thanks to God for such a lovable husband. To every time, every moment, he support me, and I like to say I feel so proud because of my daughter. She always feel I am a proud mother for her, because every time she tell to me, Mama, you know everything I what I want. Before I want to say, we will give you, and Papa also because of you. Yeah, try to speak every situation at your home, or if you outside. It's okay. Try to think fast in English, then express you in English also. If no one can hearing or listen your, it's okay. Try to speak and record your video, and after that you listen. Is it correct or wrong? And nowadays I think Gemini, Chat GPT, so many apps are there. What you speak, they immediately correct your sentence, and you also improve your language because of you. This is the I want to say, before 20 years ago I don't have any option, I don't have any mobile in my house. I think one land phone are there, and also in land phone I talk with my family members and friends. But nowadays everyone have one or two mobile. Then if you have a mobile, then why you wastage your time? You try to learn this language in your mobile. Don't go outside. At your home you can do everything. And if you don't know anything, try to speak, search in YouTube how to learn this app, how to use this app. And I think nowadays in YouTube you can search many types of conversational video, and you can listen and try to learn and use it. But you can't say I can't speak, I can't do it. Whatever the situation, don't give up the situation. Try to um, try to express, try to learn, but don't give up. If you give up, then you don't express your thought. Nowadays this language is very very important to everyone. If you can't speak in English, I think in you this is valueless, I can say. Yeah, before 20 years ago I can say it's okay, this language is not priority. I am in a rural I live in a rural village, and it's okay this time. That time this language is like a subject, but after like 2026 I can say uh, this language is everyone can try to speak this language. This is, I can say, this is the compulsory to speak this language. Mm, yeah, I want to say if you want to go to your daughter's school for PTM or any functions are there in your daughter or son school, you can face like this language, how to express your thoughts. If you want to speak about your daughter, what's going on and what is her performance at school, or if you want to speak and if you want to attend the PTA, all teachers, ma'am, principals, all speak in English. But at the time, if you can't speak in English, you can speak in Hindi, it's okay, but try to speak English. This is the first point I can say. I try to speak this language because of my daughter. If I can't speak in future, my daughter also tell to me, mama, you can't speak, this is not good. And I feel it's okay, enough is enough. I can try my level best, and I don't want I would be a good like anchor or something. I want to go everywhere and like on the stage or anything. I want to learn this language because of you, like fluency and confident whenever I go outside any place. If I can speak in English, this is enough for me. And till right now, I also speak in English with my neighbors, my daughter's school, and if any situations are there, I always express in English only. If you can't practice, then no one can change your habit. If you try to change your habit, then you can do it. If you think, no, I don't have time, I am a busy person, yeah, I can say I am an alpha mom. Alpha mom means I have so many. What? I am a good mother. I am a wife. I am a homemaker. I am a learner. Moreover, I try to learn something new also. I give my effort every day. I can say I give my effort because of you. I think I can speak right now. In future, I don't know, but try every day. I will try my whenever I have some time. I try to express my thought, and this is not a big deal. I can say everyone can speak this language, but if you want to speak like normal, don't want any like if you want to search any job or any sector, then you can learn something more and more about this language. But if you speak in normal way like conversation to each other, then this is not, you don't take any stress. Try to learn something like one word one day, one vocabulary, one idioms, one video every day you try to watch, and one video you want to listen, and try to short story read or write, and also practice listening, writing, reading, and simultaneously practicing speaking, practicing in big. If you are a beginner, try to speak like mirror practicing, face to face, try to speak, express your thought. And in my opinion, you one day speak very well. But if you don't give any effort, don't do practice, then how can I change, or how can I look? This is a beautiful, another beautiful look. This is another beautiful moment, I can say. I am catching another flight, flying on the sky, blue sky everywhere. You can see blue, and the flight is flying over my apartment, and yeah, it's a beautiful moment. Okay, it's too late. I want to go my home. My daughter is playing on the playground. It's too late. Today I have some time to express my thought because of you. I immediately thank you for watching me. And if you like this video, please comment me if you are practicing or not, and try to express your thought and share with your friends. And till now, bye bye.